Hey, good morning guys. I just wanted to stop by and show you a new wig that I am so excited about. I found this one on Amazon. Obviously the one I'm wearing, a video is coming soon, the one that I just took off. But this one is a synthetic unit. It is Outre Wig Pop in style Jasmiyah, and I have it in the color DR2 Chocolate Swirl. Now this is a favorite shade of mine, especially for this time of year. Oftentimes I will color my own hair this rich chocolate brown, but I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and just get a wig for it right now because I'm not sure I'm ready to color my hair just yet. So the cap construction is really nice. On this one you have two combs in the front, one comb in the back, and adjustable strap, and the top of it has sort of this skin top. It's not lace, but it does give like that you know, more natural parting space at the top. I love these full bang wigs that kind of have that look at the top. It just gives it another element of looking more natural. This wig is literally a 2-minute slay. Okay, that's why this video is so short, because all you have to do is take the wig out the box, finger comb her, and walk out the door. I love these beautiful Yaki textured bang wigs because it just makes your life so easy. You don't have to deal with leave out, you don't have to deal with lace, nothing like that. It's just an instant slay. This unit goes for $26 on Amazon in this shade, and I think that is an absolute steal. This is the type of wig that's going to get better and better with time. You can trim her to get shorter. You can keep her this length that she's at. You can put her in a ponytail. You can do 2 ponytails. There's a lot you can do with this unit, and I think this unit is giving natural, and the shade of it is absolutely beautiful. So I will leave a link down below where you can grab her on Amazon. If you have questions for me or I missed anything, absolutely leave it in the comments. I'm going to be doing more short videos like this because they're just a lot easier for me to manage in terms of editing time, you guys. I'm doing all this by myself for my YouTube channel. I'm doing all the shorts and all the editing of the long content, so these shorter videos are just easier for me to manage. Let me know if you guys like these, or if you want me to go back to doing more long form content, or just a mix of both. I haven't done a live in a while either. If you guys want more lives, please let me know. Just give me some feedback, you guys, because I'm working on the channel and figuring out where I'm going next. All right, thanks so much for watching. Share this video, share it with a friend, share it with a wig lover, share this video with your mama. Peace.